Hey everyone, Dean here. I know how life is. Rushing from work to pick up the kids, then maybe soccer practice, and before you know it, it's dinner time. But healthy eating doesn't have to be a chore. We're diving into my favorite quick and healthy meals, already in 30 minutes or less. Vibrant flavors, simple ingredients, and home-cooked satisfaction without spending your whole evening in the kitchen. So ditch the takeout menus, put on your apron, and let's get cooking some seriously delicious food. Let's kick things off with a classic chicken stir fry. This recipe is all about versatility. Use whatever veggies you have on hand: broccoli, peppers, carrots, snap peas. Heat sesame oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Toss in your chicken, cut into bite-sized pieces for even cooking. While the chicken is browning, chop your veggies. Once the chicken has a bit of color, scoot it to the sides of the pan and add your veggies. Stir fry everything together until the veggies are tender, crisp. For the sauce, whisk together soy sauce, honey, garlic, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Pour the sauce over the chicken and veggies and let it simmer until it thickens. Serve your stir fry over brown rice or quinoa for a complete meal. Let's talk breakfast. This avocado toast with poached egg is my go-to when I need something quick, nutritious, and satisfying. Toast your bread to your liking. I prefer whole grain bread. While the bread is toasting, mash your avocado with a squeeze of lemon juice to keep it green. Spread the avocado onto your toast. For the poached egg, fill a saucepan with water and bring it to a gentle simmer. Crack your egg into a small bowl, then gently lower it into the simmering water. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes for a runny yolk. Lift the poached egg out with a slotted spoon and place it on your avocado toast. Season with salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes if you like a little kick. This quinoa salad with lemon vinaigrette is proof that healthy eating can be delicious. It's packed with fresh veggies, protein-rich quinoa, and a bright citrusy dressing. Cook your quinoa according to package directions. While that's going, chop your favorite veggies: cucumbers, tomatoes, red onions, and bell peppers. For the vinaigrette, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, honey, salt, and pepper. Once the quinoa is cooked and cooled, add it to a large bowl with your chopped veggies. Pour over the lemon vinaigrette and toss everything together. Add some crumbled feta cheese for a salty bite if you like. This quinoa salad is perfect for a light lunch or dinner and great for meal prep. This spaghetti aglio e olio is one of the easiest and most flavorful pasta dishes you'll ever make. It's a classic Italian recipe that proves simple dishes are the best. Cook your spaghetti according to package directions. While the pasta is cooking, thinly slice your garlic. Heat a generous amount of olive oil in a large skillet over low heat. Add the sliced garlic and cook slowly until it's golden brown and fragrant. Once the pasta is cooked, drain it, reserving some of the pasta water. Add the pasta to the skillet with the garlic and oil, along with a splash of the pasta water. Toss everything together until the pasta is well coated and the sauce is slightly creamy. Looking for a quick and healthy breakfast? This Greek yogurt parfait is packed with protein, fiber, and flavor. Start with a base of creamy Greek yogurt. Add a drizzle of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. Next, add a layer of granola for crunch. Top with fresh berries, chopped nuts, seeds, or a dollop of nut butter. This Greek yogurt parfait is quick, easy, and delicious. Snack time is the best time. This hummus and veggie platter is perfect for satisfying afternoon cravings. Use store-bought or homemade hummus. Assemble your veggie platter with colorful veggies like carrots, celery, cucumbers, bell peppers, and cherry tomatoes. Cut the veggies into sticks or bite-sized pieces. Arrange the veggies on a platter with a bowl of hummus in the center. Add other healthy snacks like olives, pita bread, or crackers. This hummus and veggie platter is perfect for any time of day and great for parties. Let's end on a sweet note with this berry smoothie bowl. It's a quick and easy breakfast or snack packed with antioxidants, fiber, and flavor. Add your favorite frozen berries to a blender. I love using strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries. Add a banana for creaminess and natural sweetness. Add a handful of spinach or kale for extra nutrients. Use almond milk or any milk you prefer for the liquid. Blend until smooth, adding liquid until you reach your desired consistency. Pour the smoothie into a bowl and top with fresh berries, granola, chia seeds, and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup. This berry smoothie bowl is a delicious and refreshing way to start your day or fuel your afternoon. So, there you have it, folks. 7 quick, healthy, and delicious meals you can whip up in 30 minutes or less. No more excuses for relying on takeout or skipping meals. I hope you give them a try and see how simple it is to nourish your body with wholesome, flavorful food. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Happy cooking!